Hello, student. Hello, student. Good morning. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss about the identification and testing of active component. Identification and testing of active component. Aim of this experiment is to study various active component used in electronic field to test various active component. The list of the electronic component and equipment: rectifier diode, Zener diode, fast switching diode IN4148, LED light emitting diode, various types of transistor. The number of transistor is SL100, SK100, BC547, BC548, etc. Various types of IC: IC7400, IC7408, IC7432, etc. 7 segment display, LED display. The number of 7 segment display: LTS542, LTS543, FND507, FND508. Theory and identification. Active component: these components are used for amplification, rectification, or to change energy from one form to another form. The semiconductor, electron tubes, and display devices are the active component. The diode and transistor are semiconductor devices. Rectifier diode, PN junction diode. Rectifier diode is used to convert AC voltage into DC voltage. It has two terminals, that is anode and cathode. Generally, diode is of black color, and on the surface of diode silver ring is printed at the end. The terminal near to ring is denoted as cathode and remaining terminal is anode. This diode is also called as unidirectional device because current flow through it only in one direction. Hence, it is used as a rectifier in rectifier circuit. Semiconductor diode conduct current only when it is connected in forward bias. In reverse bias, no current flow through the diode. Construction and symbol of rectifier diode is as shown in the figure. Types of diode, for example, IN4001, IN4007, BY126, BY125, etc. First, fast switching diode. Fast switching diode is covered by glass envelope, and on the surface black ring is printed at one end. Terminal nearer to the ring is considered as cathode and remaining terminal is anode. The another diode is Zener diode. Properly doped semiconductor diode having sharp breakdown voltage in reverse bias is called Zener diode. It is covered by glass envelope, and on the surface at one side black color ring is printed. end nearer to black color ring is considered as cathode and the remaining terminal is anode. Zener diode always connected in reverse bias. It is used as voltage regulator. Light emitting diode LED. If an ordinary diode is forward biased, free electrons cross the junction and fall into holes. As these electrons fall from higher energy level to a lower energy level, they radiate energy. In ordinary diode, this energy is radiated in the form of heat, but in LED, means in light emitting diode, this energy is radiated in the form of light. By using compound of gallium, arsenic and phosphorus, LEDs that radiate red, green, yellow, blue, orange or invisible infrared light can be produced. Size of LED is 3 mm or 5 mm and current carrying capacity is 30 milliampere to 36 milliampere. Color of light emitted by LED depend upon the material used while manufacturing and intensity of light emitted by LED depend upon current flowing through it. Photodiode. The photodiode and light emitting diode are called optoelectronics devices. Germanium, silicon or cadmium sulfide CDS are used in photodiode. These diode is operated in reverse bias. Current flowing through photodiode depend upon intensity of light incident on the junction. Uses of photodiode. Photodiode are used for reading punch card and tape as a photodetector to convert incoming light into an electrical quantity. Procedure for testing of diode by using digital multimeter. First of all, identify anode and cathode terminal of a given diode. Select ohmmeter section and diode test range symbol of diode. Connect positive probe means red probe of multimeter to anode and negative probe black to cathode. Such a connection is called forward bias connection. Note forward bias resistance display on the screen of multimeter. Now connect positive probe means red probe of multimeter to cathode and negative probe means black wire and multimeter to anode. Such a connection is called as reverse bias connection. Note reverse bias resistance display on the screen of multimeter. The circuit diagram for testing of diode is shown in below figure. If If forward bias resistance is low and reverse bias resistance is high or infinity, then diode said to be OK. If forward bias resistance is low and reverse bias resistance is also low, then given diode is said to be short. If forward resistance sorry if forward bias resistance and reverse bias resistance both are high or infinite, the given diode is said to be short. Transistor. Transistor is a solid state device made up of silicon or germanium. There are two main types of transistor. Bipolar junction transistor means BJT, and second one is unipolar transistor. First, BJT, bipolar junction transistor. BJT transistor is made by sandwiching either P-type or N-type material between opposite type of semiconductor. BJT transistor has three terminal: base, collector and emitter, and two junction, that is base emitter and base collector. In BJT means bipolar junction transistor, conduction of current takes place by holes as well as electron. There are two types of BJT. First one is NPN transistor and second one is PNP transistor. First one is NPN transistor and second one is PNP transistor. Unipolar transistor. In unipolar transistor, conduction of current takes place due to either by electrons or by holes. FET means field effect transistor, MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, and UJT, unijunction transistor, are types of unipolar transistor. In market, transistors are available in various packages: TO92A, TO92B, TO92C, TO18, TO3 and TO220 etc. Circuit diagram for testing the transistor. Procedure for testing of transistor by digital multimeter is shown in above diagram. Circuit diagram for testing of transistor is shown in the above diagram. Procedure for testing of transistor by using digital multimeter. First of all, we have to identify the terminal of transistor, that means base, collector and emitter. Select diode testing section, symbol of diode seen on the multimeter by selector switch or rotary switch. Connect base emitter junction in forward bias and reverse bias and conclude the result from the following table. Table for transistor testing is shown below. integrated circuit means IC. IC means integrated circuit. An integrated circuit is one in which circuit components such as transistor, diode, resistor, capacitor, etc. are fabricated on a small semiconductor chip. Integrated circuit. An integrated circuit is one in which circuit components such as transistor, diode, resistor, capacitor, etc. are fabricated on a small semiconductor chip. In an IC, means integrated circuit, the various components are automatically part of small semiconductor chip, and the individual component cannot be removed or replaced. In any component in an IC goes out of order, then the whole IC has to be replaced by the new one. It is not possible to fabricate high value capacitor, inductor and transformer on the surface of semiconductor chip. It is not possible to produce high power ICs greater than low. Advantage of IC means advantage of integrated circuit. Small in size, lightweight, low power requirement, greater ability to operate at extreme value of temperature, low cost, increased reliability due to the less number of connections. Types of ICs. According to the construction, first one is monolithic, second one is thin film, third one is thick film, and fourth one is hybrid. According to use of IC, digital IC, and second one is analog IC. Digital IC, integrated circuit which work on digital input are called digital IC. For example, IC 7400, IC 7402. Analog IC, integrated circuit ICs which work on linear input signal are called analog ICs. For example, IC 741, IC 7805, IC 7905, IC NE 566, IC 723, etc. Analog IC are classified into two types. Single in-line package means SIP IC. Dual in-line package means DIP IC. Single in-line package SIP IC. ICs which are having pin only at one side of the ICs are called SIP IC. Means single in-line IC. And the diagram is shown below of SIP means single in-line package. Another one is dual in-line package means DIP ICs. IC which are having pin at both the side of ICs are called DIP ICs means dual in-line package IC. Construction of IC is as shown in figure. At left hand side, notch or dot is present. Count bottom pin starting from left to right means pin number 1, 2, 3 and count upper pin from right to left starting from N plus 1, N plus 2 etc. 7 segment display. In 7 segment display, LED means light emitting diode or LCD means liquid crystal display is used. In 7 segment display, there are 7 segments, that is A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Construction of LED means light emitting diode and LCD means liquid crystal display is shown in below figure. Example, to display digit 8, all the segment must be on, and if we want to display digit 5, then segment A, C, D, F and G must be on. There are two types of LED display: common anode LED display and common cathode LED display. Example: LTS 542, FND 507 and MAN 72 are the example of common anode LED display, and LTS 543, FND 508, MAN 73 are the example of common cathode LED display. Common cathode 7 segment display pin number is shown in above given figure. Conclusion of this practical: all active components such as diode, transistor, IC and 7 segment display have been studied. There is some assignment for you. Please note it down in your copy and show me later on. The first question is, what are the types of multimeter? What is the difference between analog and digital multimeter? List various active components used in electronic field. What is 7 segment display? Okay, thank you student. Meet you in next period. Thanks.